welcome to Kate May Designs. I am really sorry that I didn't get back to you guys earlier with the winners of my birthday giveaway. They'll be announced at the end of this video. But right now, I'm going to show you the cards that I made with the stamps and tell you a little bit about what was happening this month while I do that. First up, the Unity Kitten. Kitten, very cute. I used also What's Up from this stamp set from Impression Obsession. This, according to my son, is a seagull. According to their packaging, it's a booby. We have fights about this all the time. And this is the card. This little guy here is from Picket Fence Studios, and it's a very small set. Very small set, and I cannot find it in my stash anywhere. There you go. Next uses the Little Inkers Designs set. This is one I got on clearance, and I paired it with, upside down, Art Impressions, the Girlfriends, and some paper piecing to get this. It is a hilarious sentiment, and they are laughing at it. This is paper pieced, this is paper pieced, and this here is paper pieced. You can hear it. If you don't know how to do paper piecing, leave me a comment and I will make a video on how to do that. It's a quick and easy way to put patterns in your cards. The next one uses the die that looks like needlepoint and the die that looks like an embroidery hoop and the cute little foxes. Love the cute little foxes. And this is what I came up with. Each one of the, all the color here is just a line between the holes in the die background. So it looks like thread. I thought it was a clever idea. If it wasn't, please be kind. So there's that. And the next one pairs the little foxes with these rays here on this Brutus Monroe set. I'm not sure if this is still available. I love buying things on clearance and closeout. And it also uses this Spellbinders embossing folder called Quilt It. And this is what I came up with. There you go. He's singing his little heart out. It's his day to shine. Alright, the next one uses this set, Born to Ride. It's my brother-in-law and, I don't know, his neighbor, maybe? I don't know who that is. And it uses You're My Happy die set from Concord Unite. And here it is. You can see he's mounted on foam. There's a lot of intricate cutting here. This was done when I had a sinus infection and chest congestion and had absolutely no voice. That was at least a week and a half of the month of June, beginning of June. And then we have the brother-in-law paired with a clear snap Route 66 stamp, also from the clearance aisle. And there you go. I drew the road. Found this in my stash, back off. I'm not that kind of car. A background stamp. The arrows are from the motorcycle set. The image is embossed in black, and then I watercolored the whole image. So there you go. There's that one. Now, several people were interested in what these fishermen could do. We could do with this guy, the Real Great Guys from Art Impressions. And here's what we came up with, or here's what I came up with. The little birthday fishes. Did this one while I was sick as well, so I kind of gave up on the idea of a fish at all and went with this. I did draw the background and the rocks, so it makes more of a scene. I like to build scenes. And this one is from Visual Images, which is a UK company.
Hello, UK.
But I bought this from a company called Top Flight Stamps, and they only sell stamps from foreign countries. UK, Australia, Germany, all over. And here's what I came up with for this one. Not really thrilled with this, but it was, again, I was sick and I was trying to get it done. After my sickness, when I started to get my voice back, I fell at work in front of about 100 people. It was very embarrassing. And I was in a soft cast for a week plus. Then I had to go see an orthopedic surgeon, someone who specializes in hand jobs. And I was put into a brace. I just got the brace off today. Whoop, very happy. So that's another reason that I didn't get these things done earlier. I didn't get this video made earlier. After this started to clear up about a week ago, I got shingles. So it's been kind of a hell of a month. But now it's July, and I'm going to show you the most requested stamp set in the lot. Are you ready? Drum roll. Drum roll. It is the Mr. Rogers Fred Said stamp set. I keep my all my stamps in envelopes. This is a nice thick one. Generally I put stamp sets that have dies in these. The other ones are a little thinner. They're from Avery L. They're perfect for stamps. These are thicker, perfect for stamps with dies. And again, I was sick. Please keep that in mind. Here you go. This is not as grassy as I would hoped it would be, but I did this and then fell down back into bed. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe you can hear. These are two different levels. There's the insoles are lower than the uppers. So, and you can see that fussy cutting. I like to get in there with an X-Acto knife. So there you go. Up next is the winners. One last chuckle. Got a couple of things from Viva Las Vegas stamps. If you're not familiar with Viva Las Vegas stamps, Google them and get over there because they have some amazing stuff. It's all rubber. There's no acrylic. And you can save a lot of money by buying them unmounted and mounting them yourself. I have a video on YouTube on how to mount things for yourself and how to convert a mounted stamp like this into an unmounted stamp, which is what I did with this one. So go check that out. This is a set. These are two stamps that I thought were hilarious together, and I had to get them. I don't give a shit. I don't take any shit. I'm not in the shit business. I thought it was hilarious. So, one last chuckle for you. Have a great night. Have a great morning. Have a great afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, just have a great day. And I will see you later.